Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "She Thinks She Can't Be Arrested. Police Prove Her Wrong." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Hey, don't touch me! Don't touch me! Are you kidding me?
Today, on Uncovered, watch this brat turn a simple traffic stop into absolute chaos for thinking that she doesn't have to listen to the law.
Hello.
Patrolman on two-side space. The reason I stopped you is you failed to come to complete stop on Webster Avenue, on Central there.
Yeah, gotcha.
Where are you headed?
Back home to Tom's River.
Tom's River?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where were you doing here?
I was visiting friends for a birthday party.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
How much you have to drink?
Yeah.
Here
You
we
got
go.
insurance in here too? Behind you?
It
Okay.
should all be in there, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's all in there, but
Okay.
yeah. I'm not drunk. I didn't have any, like, I mean, I hear you trying to do a job, but I'm a local, and
No worries.
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, obviously.
All right, you can take that.
Thanks.
I'll be right with you, all right?
Sure.
The officer heads back to his vehicle with her info. While speaking to the suspect, he noticed her slurring and stumbling on her words, and could smell a very strong alcoholic odor on her breath. He informs his backup and prepares to conduct a field sobriety test. Her reaction to this, however, is anything but pleasant.
Alrighty. So, listen, did you have anything to drink?
No.
You did not?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Listen, would you mind step out of the vehicle and perform a series of tests just to make sure that you're not intoxicated?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
If you don't, it's better that you do.
Okay, well, all right, hold on
so
one second.
listen.
Let me just call my friend. This is ridiculous.
So, essentially, if you don't provide the field sobriety test,
Yeah, I'll provide it, but you just gotta, wait, why is this not opening?
can we open?
There is not opening.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, thanks.
You had it locked.
Yeah.
Wow, they let her reach
You mind
around.
stepping out? Come on.
Wow.
He's done.
Stop reaching.
All right, step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, don't
Hey,
touch me!
Step out of the
Don't
vehicle.
touch me!
Hey, you will be arrested. Get out of the car.
Get out of
Get out of the car.
Get out.
Are you kidding me?
You gonna get your act together, boy.
Mother, are you kidding me?
Stop it.
Oh my God!
Hey, I was wondering. I was like, dang, they not gonna get her right. Like, y'all just gonna be letting her reach around like that. That's what I'm thinking in my head. I'm like, they just gonna let her like, what? Like, if that was me, boy, they would have, what? Oh, yeah. But yeah, they gonna get you right though. All right, I appreciate that. You know, the officers get her right. You know what I mean? She can't be reaching around just like anybody else can.
Hey, you will be arrested. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Yeah, you ain't running the show. What you thought this was?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Mother,
Nah, this ain't a joke, baby.
kidding me?
Stop it.
This ain't a joke, baby.
what the f*** is this?
Stop resisting.
Holy f***, can't wait to take you to court. I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your arms behind your back.
You're gonna get sprayed right now. You will
Oh,
get
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
What have you been a cop?
We're still temporary out here.
A half a year. A half a year? Yup.
That one's not on you.
Yup. All this was your
Female 41 out here.
Listen, roll over.
Nope.
Put your knees to your back.
You pick me up, you come on. You who the f*** do you think you are? Pig.
You have anything on you?
Yeah. Mom.
Hamilton, Barnegat.
Right in my. How about that?
Hold this over quick. Yep. Hold on, there's stuff. Okay, hold her. I want to get my cuffs on.
You gotta hold me because you're too. You pull me to the ground.
Stop.
No,
Stop.
you pull me to the
Stop
ground. You pull me to the ground. You pull me to the ground, and you had no right to throw me to the ground, you mother. Where's the sergeant? I want to see the sergeant now. Now.
Stop.
You tell me, sir. What the f*** you cunt? Where's your sergeant? Now.
Get in.
Hey.
I'm giving Sergeant a call really quick. Hey, you got punched right in the face?
Yeah, she smacked me.
She smacked you?
Yeah, full on
She was
blow.
reaching for something and she refused to get out of the vehicle.
For what? Field sobriety?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she was reaching in there for like a minute.
Upon being requested to take a field sobriety test, the suspect has a complete meltdown and swung at both officers' faces as they tried to remove her from the car. They conduct a search of her vehicle under suspicion of her trying to hide something like paraphernalia, based on how long she was reaching around in her purse. They find nothing inside the car. However, inside her purse contained multiple different prescription opiates under names that weren't hers. The officers keep note of this to conduct a proper and thorough sobriety test back at the police station. The suspect makes sure to let officers know how she feels on the way there.
Search my car. You're not allowed to search my car.
County 47, starting mileage.
The end. You have a body cam on?
I do.
Oh, good. I can't f***ing wait for that. Turn back or f*** you. Turn back.
7,
or f***
6,
you.
4,
You
5
motherfucker.
points here.
You don't f***ing throw me to the ground for no f***ing reason, you f***ing... What are you, 10?
22.
Piece of shit.
What, they at Jersey? She sound like she from Jersey or something. They got a Jersey accent.
Boyd, you 10-3.
I'm gonna meet you 10-3.
Like that Italian, you know.
You have no the f*** idea who the f*** I am. And pull me over and throw me to the ground like a f*** for no f***ing reason? The f***? What are you, 10?
Medical.
You idiot. I'm a f***ing
Negative,
local,
Sergeant.
you asshole.
10-4. I'm gonna come in and give you a hand as well.
Copy that.
Get out of this f***ing car.
Yeah, I
Let
believe
me do
so.
my field sobriety
Initial
test
was 4.
and then pass it so you can f*** yourself. Hey.
I'll be right in. I'll take help in these guys.
Yeah. You're not gonna pass the field sobriety test. Even if you were going to do it, they're not designed for you to pass it. Even if you are sober. That's the point that they don't tell you.
You're going to make a names to other people.
County, endings .5.
Accurate's been notified. They'll be en route. Momentarily.
Definitely. We'll have somebody.
We're 2246.
What's your name? All right, Kristen, calm down, okay?
No, I'm not coming down because they threw me to the f***ing ground like I was an asshole.
Relax, don't move, don't move.
I'm not moving. You're
moving
holding my
around.
arm very strong. Let go.
I'm not even grabbing your arm.
You are. I feel you on my right.
It's you moving.
Okay, good.
I just have your arm cupped.
All right. Well, because I was thrown to
gonna
the
fix your
f***ing ground by
jacket.
this piece of f***ing shit.
Well,
And I
relax.
didn't f***ing. You can do a field sobriety test. I'm a f***ing local. I own this f***ing town.
Well,
And this
acting
is
the way you
bullshit.
are is
I'm
not
acting
helping
the way I am because I'm
It's
thrown to
not
the
helping
f***ing
the
ground.
situation.
I don't give a
Close
f***.
the door here.
I don't give a f*** either way.
I know you don't.
I know.
You're acting
Because
this way.
because I'm acting this way
Relax.
because I'm f***ing pissed.
Relax.
Because I shouldn't be treated this way.
Relax.
No, because I shouldn't be treated this way. There's one thing about a drug.
Nobody knows who you are.
It doesn't.
The suspect was arrested for driving under intoxication, failure to comply with an officer, resisting arrest, and assaulting an officer. In total, she was hit with 4 different charges, all for refusing to do a simple sobriety test. While she would have gotten arrested regardless, 1 charge is definitely not as bad as 4. If you
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.